everyone, this is Dr. Daryl Joffrey, and along with my co-host Dr. Robert Scott Bell, I want to welcome you to the Get Off Your Sugar Summit, 7 days to helping you get your body off sugar.
Never before has there been such a concentration of experts in presenting to you empowering information to get you off that which is most addicting, most craving, and most damaging to your health.
You see, whether you realize it or not, most of us are pumping up our bodies all day long with these sugary foods, and we have no idea sometimes. It snuck its way into our diets, and it's hiding in so many of these so-called health foods. And what's happening is that sugar is so acidic and inflammatory to our body, it's literally eating us up from the inside out. It's draining your energy, it's making you gain weight, it's driving up inflammation, and eventually this drug, and it is a drug, is leading to these chronic inflammatory diseases. Things like cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's.
This is going to be the most important summit that you've attended. Every day, solid, chock full of ideas, insights, experiences, and protocols and programs you can tap into to get off your sugar.
This is why we're doing this Get Off Your Sugar Summit. These next 7 days, we've gathered the top experts in the world on this very subject, all with one mission, to help you get off your sugar. So I hope that you join us in a transformation that is surely going to change your life. Thanks so much, everyone.